All right, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about my NAS100 signal alert as well as US30 that I took today on this beautiful Money Monday. Awesome day today to start the week. $23,000 in profit. Took NAS100 over US30 today. You know, every day US30 and NAS100 they have a mind of their own. So in this video, I'm gonna break down the signal alert that I put out to my members in the private VIP Telegram, as well as my profit here that I posted in the Discord community. For those that don't know, I actually brought back Discord. I just feel that it's really good from a community standpoint for people to really ask questions and then for me to put up content and education for people to really learn this. Because ultimately, at the end of the day, I want people to really learn this and make money, right? I like seeing other people make money and buy the things they want in life and live the life they want. I haven't made a YouTube video in a long time because I'm actually living life. I'm enjoying life. I travel a lot. So for those that don't know, those that just recently started following me, I travel all the time. I travel all over the world multiple times throughout the year, multiple times sometimes throughout the month. So every day, every week, every month is different, right? I just got back from vacation. Now in another week, I'm gonna be going to another vacation, right? That's just what I do with my profit, with my life. Everyone might be different. Some people might just want to buy exotic sports cars and go to Cars and Coffee every single weekend, Saturday and Sunday, and that's fine. But different strokes for different folks. So $23,600 in profit today. Took 5 lots. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. We're going to talk about that. Yes, I took 5 lots of NAS100. One might be thinking, how big of an account do you have? Do you need to have to take 5 lots of NAS100? Well, you basically want at least a $50,000 account for this. It does not mean you need to take 5 lots, right? Even if I took 1 lot, right? Take 5, divide that by, right? 23,600, right? You basically simple math, right? It's very, very, very simple math. $23,600 I made profit. Divide that by 5, right? So $4,720. So if I took one lot of NAS100, I would have made $4,720. Now let's divide $4,720, divide that by, right? You divide that by 4. Now, if you take 0.25 lots, then you're basically making at least like $1,000. So you can make a lot of money. I don't think people realize, even with small size, the profit can stack up, right? I tell people this all the time. Trade well, profits will follow. You see two things here on my screen that I'm sharing with you. The left is my private VIP Telegram. This is obviously something I charge for every single month. I'm not going to sugarcoat shit. I charge for this. It's very simple. If I'm putting out my signals, if I'm taking my time to put out where I'm looking to buy, where I'm looking to sell, where I'm looking to take profit, I'm going to charge for this. My Discord community, on the other hand, is 100% free. Feel free to join it. The link for that is going to be below this YouTube video. It's just one rule and one simple rule is don't fuck around, right? Don't pull stupid bullshit. Have common courtesy. So if you guys are interested in that, click the link below this YouTube video. Get rock and rolling with the Discord group. So let's talk about NAS100 and US30, where I was looking at today. NAS100, looking to buy this at 18,581.96. Boom. This one had gapped up. Okay, this one gapped up. It was basically consolidating. She started to pull back here. Pre-market, we were having this little sell-off action, right? There's no fucking way I wanted to chase this one, right? So people thought, she was basically looking to close this gap here. We were basically holding, so looking for a nice little squeeze up over the highs. That's exactly what ended up happening. Because if you look here at the bigger chart, bigger time frame, you'll see that basically she was acting as a resistance, right? This was a resistance area. Resistance. She did kind of pop, right? It had a little bit of a resistance drop. So I was like, all right, well, if we get a squeeze, if we could break over this area, we'll have a nice little rip. That's exactly what NAS100 did, right? That was a clean trade, clean setup. Now, if we go to US30, again, with NAS100, I put in the areas where I'm looking to take profit. This was the first signal I put out today. So ultimately, I knew I wanted to take this one. Obviously, I put the US30 out there for members as well, followed by basically by the same thing. This one had broke over 40,000. So I was like, wow, that was pretty damn good. Okay, so again, we had gapped up, consolidating, but started selling off. And then again, I was looking for this one to hold. All right, so very similar to NAS100. I was looking for this one to squeeze up. Unfortunately, market open, she started selling off hardcore, and then she pushed up. Now, again, these don't trade identical. There's times out of the year they trade side by side, but then there's times like, well, US 30 will sell off and NAS 100 will squeeze up. US 30 will squeeze up and NAS 100 will sell off. Or there's going to be days where they both, US 30 sells off, NAS 100 sells off, or NAS 100 squeezes up and US 30 pushes up. So these are never going to trade side by side exactly identical every single day. Some days yes, some days no. But unfortunately, US 30 sold off hard and then stopped and then squeezed up, basically. Um, Ultimately, what it did is what we wanted to do when the market opened. It just didn't do that before finally, she basically sold off the rest of the day. So this is a huge sell off here. This is a huge sell off. We basically dropped back below the 40,000 area. And now we're basically trading down here back at 39,830. NAS 100, nice little squeeze up. Basically it's holding the trend. It's holding the upside very, very nicely. So, NAS 100, definitely gonna watch this one tomorrow. Tomorrow pre-market as well as trade this. US 30, will basically see what this one does. Every week, some weeks US 30 we crush with US 30 and struggle with NAS 100, and the following week we might crush with NAS 100 and struggle with US 30. Nonetheless, you can come each and every single day, guys, and make a good profit just trading these small size, applying good risk management. So again, signals on the left hand side, if people are interested in joining that and receiving my VIP signals, my alerts, that link is going to be below this YouTube video, as well as the link to join the Discord community. Again, this is 100% free. I want to grow it and just ultimately have a big family of Forex traders. Hopefully this video helps you guys, gives you some sort of education, motivation in some shape, way, or form. If you liked it, give this video a thumbs up, comment below. And remember, guys, nobody goes broke taking profit. Cheers.